Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we're gonna guide you through how to use WhatsApp on your laptop for beginners. We're gonna show you the simple steps on getting started and staying connected on WhatsApp right from your laptop or your computer. So, the first thing to do is to make sure that you open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in web.whatsapp.com and search. Once you get to this page, you can simply click on the Get the App option right next to Download WhatsApp for Windows. Allow necessary permission by checking on this box and click on Open. Now, click on the Get button once you see this interface in order to download WhatsApp. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed. You can wait for the application to download, or if you don't want to do that and you want to continue with web, you will simply need to scan this QR code from your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once the WhatsApp application is installed, you can simply click on Open and you will be able to see the WhatsApp application's interface. Click on Get Started and follow through the instructions. You can now scan the QR code displayed on the screen with the help of your WhatsApp application. Simply go ahead and open WhatsApp on your phone and tap on Menu and link a device and point your phone on this screen to capture this QR code. You can also link WhatsApp with phone number. Simply click on Link with phone number and select your country from the drop-down. After selecting your country, type in your phone number on the next field. After typing in your phone number, click on Next and then enter the code displayed on the screen on your WhatsApp application using your mobile device. Open up your WhatsApp application from your mobile device and follow the steps that has been displayed on the left-hand side menu. Now simply open up WhatsApp on your mobile device and then tap on the settings icon at the bottom right and then click on Linked Devices. Now click on Linked Device from the menu and tap on Allow. Now simply go ahead and point your QR code as shown on the image on the screen. Go to your laptop's screen and point your QR code reader right where you can see the QR code on the screen like this. You will then be able to open up WhatsApp on your laptop. This will be the first interface for WhatsApp. You will now be able to end up in the chat screen from where you can simply start a new chat by typing in the name of the contact you want to chat with on the screen. You can also select one of the chats and start typing in a message inside the message thread at the bottom of the screen. You can also send photos, videos, documents, create polls, send emojis, and much more. You can also make a phone call to your WhatsApp contact directly from your laptop. Go to the call button on the left-hand side menu and create a call link in order to start a video call on WhatsApp. Now a video call link will be generated, which you can simply copy and share it with your friends so that they can join into your WhatsApp call with the help of the link. Share the link with your friends and they can click on the Join Call button in order to start a video call with you on WhatsApp. If you want to contact multiple people at once from WhatsApp, you can simply do so by creating a group. From the chat screen of WhatsApp, click on the pencil icon at the top right corner and click on New Group. Now, search for the contacts you would like to add in the group and click on Next. Now, you can add a group icon for your group, give a name for your group, turn on and off disappearing message for your group, and click on Create in order to create a new group on WhatsApp. You can now go ahead and enter your message and get connected to multiple people at once by creating a group on WhatsApp. Now that you've learned the basics of WhatsApp, you can also go ahead and edit your profile. Click on the profile icon at the bottom left and you can now go ahead and adjust general settings, account settings, chat history settings, and much more from the list displayed. Go ahead and explore some of its features and functions, and you will be able to get hang of it. When you are done using WhatsApp on your laptop, you can simply log out of it. Go to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile, click on General from the expanded menu. Now under General, scroll down and click Log Out, and this will be able to log you out of your WhatsApp account once you are done using it on your laptop. So that is how you can easily use WhatsApp as a beginner on your laptop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.